Welcome to Auto Drive Hub, the channel where you get the latest updates on upcoming cars and SUVs with detailed information on their specifications, features and performance. Today we are talking about the 2025 Toyota Tundra, which is Toyota's flagship full-size pickup truck designed to combine power, durability and modern technology, making it one of the most anticipated trucks in its class. The 2025 Toyota Tundra continues to build on its bold and aggressive design with a strong front grille, sharp LED headlights and a muscular body structure that gives it a commanding presence on the road. This truck is built to handle both tough jobs and adventurous rides with a modern touch. Inside, the Tundra comes equipped with a spacious cabin that offers premium comfort, advanced technology and high-quality materials, making it suitable for both work and family use. Under the hood, the 2025 Tundra is expected to feature a twin-turbo V6 engine delivering strong horsepower and torque, along with an optional hybrid iForce Max powertrain which enhances fuel efficiency without compromising performance. The truck offers excellent towing capacity and payload strength, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks while also being efficient enough for daily driving. Toyota's commitment to blending power with eco-friendly engineering is clearly reflected in this model. The interior of the 2025 Tundra is designed with modern technology at its core, featuring a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and wireless connectivity options. Premium audio system, multiple USB ports and smart storage solutions create a user-friendly environment. Safety is also a top priority, with Toyota Safety Sense providing driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking, ensuring a secure driving experience. In addition to its strength and safety, the Tundra also emphasizes convenience with features like multiple drive modes, multi-terrain select, panoramic sunroof, heated and ventilated seats and advanced suspension for a smoother ride whether on highways or off-road trails. This pickup is ready to deliver versatility and reliability. The 2025 Toyota Tundra stands as a powerful competitor in the pickup truck segment, blending ruggedness with refinement and offering both power and comfort in one package. If you are looking for a truck that is durable, stylish and technologically advanced, the Tundra is certainly worth considering. This was a detailed look at the specs and features of the 2025 Toyota Tundra. For more updates on the latest cars and SUVs, make sure to subscribe to Auto Drive Hub and stay connected for all the automotive news and reviews.